Hello my natural beauties and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bibi, as you all know by now, and I'm here to help you fall in love with your skin again. And what I do on a weekly basis is just give you simple tips and tricks that you can add into your regular skincare routine to help your skin glow again, to help your skin heal again, and also to help you feel a bit more confident in your own natural skin. Because at the end of the day, everybody strives to have beautiful skin that can just get up and go and not have to worry about doing too much to it to feel confident. Now, what we're going to do today is we're going to start talking about things that you can add into your skincare routine as boosters for your skin. Because we all know about cleansing and toning and exfoliating and moisturizing. But what about your facial essences and your concentrates and your serums and things like that? Because they also do serve a purpose and they are very important to your skincare routine, but they're not a necessity. So if you do skip this step in your skincare routine, it is not a train smash, don't worry about it, but they do have great value for the skin and should be considered adding it into the routine. Now today we're going to be covering skin essence. Now essence is something that's really popular within the Asian market, and that's really where they originated from, because they do believe in their facial essence. Now a lot of the time people confuse facial essence with toners because they have the same consistency, they're very liquid, and they feel the same on the skin as well, but they really aren't. Facial essence could potentially be a little bit more creamy than a toner and should be added after a toner on your skin. The main difference though between a toner and an essence is that an essence has a lot more concentration in the active ingredients that's in the essence than a toner would have. Now, the concentration of active ingredients is not as high as a serum would have, but they are higher and more effective than just a toner. And of course, they do give a bit more hydration to the skin than a toner would. It will help to prepare your skin for the moisture that is coming. So the active ingredients is good for holding on to and retaining the moisture that you would apply after the essence. So basically it's a really good preparation for optimal skin hydration if we want to be really fancy about it. But it is a really nice step. The thing that people generally get wrong though with essence is the way that they apply it. They do also put it on a cotton pad or something like you would a toner because it has the same consistency, and then rub it all over their skins. But that way you lose so much of the active ingredients. So it really is a waste for you to put it on a cotton. What you do want to do with the essence is literally just take a drop or two on the palm of your hand, rub them in between the palms of your hands, and then just press it onto your skin and literally force it into your skin, because that way you make sure that most of the active ingredients actually go onto the skin and penetrates into the skin. And you don't want to let anything go to waste when it comes to an essence, because they are so highly concentrated, but they also evaporate really quickly. So you want to make sure that you force everything into the skin and make sure that it's on the skin and not half of it goes to waste on a cotton pad. Now there are two main ingredients with essences that you can look at. Of course, for dry skin, your hyaluronic acid will be a big one here. And I have done a video on hyaluronic acid. So if you go onto my channel and you click on the search bar at the top and you type in hyaluronic acid, you will be able to find any of my videos that I've done on that topic, whether it be cleansers, moisturizers, or anything like that, or hyaluronic acid in this case, you will be able to find them. So make sure you use that search tool as well if there's any other topic you would like to see, if I've already done a video of it. If there's any other topics you would like me to do videos on, which I haven't covered yet, of course, feel free to leave me a comment below and I can definitely make a video on that and give you as much information as I can. So then, yes, hyaluronic acid is the one ingredient that's really popular in your essence. And then the other one is for dull skin is your brightening pearl extract and your zinc botanicals, because these ones really give you that brightening look on the skin to liven up dull and dehydrated skin. And that is an essence. And that's it. Essence are lightweight, hydrating liquids that helps prepare your skin to retain the moisture that you're going to give it after you've done with your skincare routine. And that's all I have for you for today. Short and sweet. So of course, if you've liked what you've seen, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Like and share it with your friends so they can learn what an essence is as well. Click that subscribe button if you want. But now YouTube has changed the algorithm again, which makes it even harder for our small channels to grow. But of course, if you would like the information and you would like to be notified when I upload on a weekly basis, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button, and make sure you get those notifications. So until I meet all my natural beauties again, have a lovely day and I'll see you all soon. Goodbye.